can see here that I'm just getting started by lining the bottom of my baking sheet with some nice, crispy, and delicious bacon. So just make sure that you have a nice full layer. It's okay if some of them overlap. You kind of just gotta make them work, right? So we might rip apart this little bite and put them right there in the center. Perfect. Then right away, we're gonna come over here to our saucepan. I have a half a cup of brown sugar. I'll add right in there, along with 1 stick of butter. Yes, listen to that sizzle. Oh, that sounds great. Now, of course, you want to stir this all together so the butter melts, mixes with that brown sugar, and you'll see the consistency will change. It'll be nice and smooth, almost toffee-like. So just continue to stir it so it doesn't burn all the way until everything is melted, mixed, and combined. Okay, this is exactly what you want. You can tell that the consistency's changed, that all that brown sugar is melted in with that butter. So we'll go ahead and turn the heat off. Okay, now is the fun part. This is when it starts. We are going to take this delicious mixture and pour it right on top of our bacon. That's what I'm talking about. Check that out, you guys. You asked for it, I'm doing it. Bacon bark all the way. Let's go. So we're gonna move it all the way around. You can pour it in the middle, you can pour it on the side. Eventually, you're gonna be patient and take your time to just nice and quickly here, just smooth out this butter brown sugar mixture right over top of this delicious bacon, you guys. We have a sweet and savory holiday treat going on. And yes, it is absolutely okay if you want to make this treat in your pajamas. In fact, I think that sometimes holiday cooking, it just should be done in your pajamas because it's funner, it tastes better, and it's just a little bit more low-key. Who doesn't cook in their pajamas, right? Okay, so you can see we're moving right along here. It looks like it's already starting to cool down just a little bit already, and I think that that looks great. It looks like we have that evenly spread on the top. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this in the oven. It's only gonna be in there for about 4 minutes just to really cook together the brown sugar, the butter, and the bacon, and stick around because we got more to come and it's gonna be fantastic. Oh my goodness. It might not look like a whole lot, but it smells absolutely amazing. Okay, so we got that out of the oven right now. It is really hot still. And while it is still hot, grab yourself some chips. Now, I'm choosing semi-sweet, but you can choose any kind that you want, okay? So pick your favorite chips and you're just gonna start to sprinkle them over the top. They'll start to melt on their own just because it's so hot. Of course, you choose how much chocolate you wanna put and what kind you wanna put. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna use anything other than the semi-sweet. So as you start putting these on here, they're gonna start to melt. Just give them a minute to kind of melt down before you start to spread. That's exactly what I'm gonna do here. So everything is right on top now. I'm gonna give it, I don't know, about 3 minutes, and so it melts up, and then we're gonna spread it around. Okay, let's see, let's give it a go. There we go. See, you can see that that chocolate is just gonna start to spread. It's all nice and melted. So you'll just patiently, nice and carefully just go over the whole top of this bacon bark, just spreading out all of that chocolate. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Easy peasy, right? Super easy. We have a few ingredients here. This is going to be an extremely delicious, sweet and savory dessert. You guys asked for it. I'm bringing it to the table in my pajamas today. So go ahead, give this an equal spread over the top, and we're moving right along. All right, we have it all spread out, you guys. This looks absolutely amazing, and that chocolate, it just melts so great every time. Now, I kept some pieces of bacon. So what I do is that when the bacon has those ends that curl up on the side, I cut those off so the bacon is nice and flat, that you can lay it down. And then I save the tops of the bacon so I can just crumble some of it on top, right? That way, anyone who grabs this treat, they know, hey, it's gonna have some bacon in it, right? And I think it just adds to the visual effect. Of course, if you're gonna add anything else on top in with this, let me hear all about it. I would love to know. Maybe there's something else that I can change up or do differently to make it even better, right? So I'm just gonna use the rest of that, whatever I have. It looks like that looked to be the perfect amount, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set this to the side so it can cool down because it is very hot. So once I do that, stick around because I am gonna break it up and I'm gonna show you guys how delicious this easy treat really is. We'll be right back. All right, are you ready? Are you ready to rock and roll? Because we got some bacon bark in the house. I mean, seriously, check it out. Just give it a go, give it a look. Oh, look at that. It's just already totally coming off of, wow. We're just peeling it right down. Ooh, look at all that bacon. Yeah. All right. I'm just gonna break. I had it in, look at that. And the bacon just breaks right too. Nice. I had it in the fridge for about an hour, so it will definitely harden a little bit more. But look, you can see like the bacon layer on the bottom. We have some of it on the top. This is awesome. I know David wants to try this, so babe, come over here and give it a shot. All right, I am super stoked about this, so I think you're gonna love it. Come here.
Let's see.
Or like, look, this bake. Look at this bake. Look at all that bacon on there.
Wow.
Look at that. Can you see that? Ah! Okay. Do you want this little piece, or do you want to dig into like this big one?
This big chunk.
Okay. Oh, I could hear the crunch of the bacon and the toffee.
Wow.
What do you think?
Amazing.
Is it like sweet and salty?
Both.
Yeah?
Perfect.
You like it? Okay. All right, that is, you can have that. You should have only a little bit and the rest after dinner, okay? All right, you guys, I hope you love this Christmas bark, this bacon bark. Yes, time to dig in and indulge. And if you want to do it in your pajamas, I'd say it's a-okay because you're cooking bacon, right? Anyways, I hope you guys have a great holiday and let me know if there's anything you're going to switch up. I hope you enjoy it and we'll see you later.